Invite collaborator problem fix it. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the collaborator invitation problem easily and fast. So all what we have to do, we have three ways. The first way is go to the Play Store and then update your Instagram. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the settings on your phone. Even if you have iOS, go to the apps manager, open the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, so you have to wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Instagram and click on it, and then click on this for stop and go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache. The third way and the last one is just restart your phone, because sometimes it's just the problem from the phone. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.